Noise is being replaced by precision, and hard labor is giving way to innovation. Construction and renovation have reached a new level, one driven by cutting-edge tools that bring a whole new standard of comfort and efficiency to the job site. Now work can be done not just with quality, but with creativity. Let's take a look at some dream tools that are already hitting store shelves. The WEN, electric tiller and cultivator, is like having a personal agronomist. It tilts 35 centimeters wide and 20 centimeters deep, making digging and weed control much easier. Overload protection keeps the motor safe if it hits rocks or concrete. With this tool, neat garden beds and borders are no longer a chore. It's available for $120. This putty knife clearly takes its inspiration from the Swiss Army knife. It packs 14 tools in one. Among them are adjustable wrenches, a nail puller, a can opener, a paint roller cleaner, and a paint can opener. Do you like this kind of versatility? Let us know in the comments. This pneumatic angle grinder delivers 12,000 RPM and works with 10 centimeter discs. Swapping discs is easy because the manufacturer included a spindle lock button. The tool handles weld, smoothing, and deep boring without a problem. The price is $670. With the RGH2, a single operator can handle a huge amount of work. This lifter is designed for installing doors and windows. It lifts up to 350 kilograms, tilts the load gently, and offers optional 360-degree rotation to make the process as smooth and safe as possible. The RGH to help you work smarter, not harder. The Alcevina Falcon automatic lifter is extremely useful for handling stone slabs from 1.5 to 7.5 centimeters thick. The clamping plates are fully automatic, which means workers don't have to put their hands at risk. Soft rubber pads ensure excellent surface protection. The clamp can handle up to 1 ton and costs $1,000. These two clamps, with a combined weight of 2.5 kilograms, let masons turn into real-life superheroes. Lifting slabs weighing up to 220 kilograms. Compact, lightweight, and with no batteries or power needed. These clamps are simple but incredibly effective. Powerbuilt has released this trio of pry bars, measuring 25, 30, and 38 cm. They're made of chrome vanadium steel and will come in handy for workers in a variety of trades. Whether in gas stations, construction sites, or furniture workshops, these tools are useful everywhere. This set offers endless possibilities and is priced at $59. Want to saw like a pro? If you're using a corded or cordless dual saw, check out the GRS-1 6-page guide rail. It's a perfect match for the tracks used on saws from this American brand, which means it can be mounted easily from either side. This guide rail costs $180. Aris is a wrench designed for working with oil filters. Between 63 and 80 millimeters in diameter, it's made of chrome molybdenum steel with a nickel-plated finish, which makes it strong and durable. Just look at the experts in the video handling it like a pro, and it's only $20. The Stihl HTA13 5-cordless pole pruner lets you cut branches easily without needing a ladder. Its telescopic arm extends up to 4 meters, and the battery gives you 45 minutes of runtime. This pole pruner is rated IPX4 for splash protection and costs around $800. Festool has created a cordless, eccentric sander with a built-in LED ring. Designed for one-handed use. At $658, it's not cheap, but its potential is impressive. Without attachments, the tool weighs just 1.2 kilogram. Its compact ergonomic body makes it ideal for sanding in tight spaces, even overhead. This manual countersink from Wolfcraft is a great companion for drilling holes up to 19 millimeters in wood or plastic. The ergonomic handle with finger protection keeps the work not only accurate, but also safe on top of that. The 3 cutting edges add extra speed. This countersink will cost you $23. The MP133 orange NEP is a real powerhouse. With 1,140 blows per minute, it turns concrete into dust and leaves, rivets and bolts in the past. Weighing around 14 kilograms, it doesn't overload the user's hands. Still, it works with fairly large chisels, which makes it a versatile tool. The price is $1,208. This pneumatic hammer is perfect for metal work. It's commonly used in the assembly of ventilation ducts and delivers 4,500 blows per minute to turn. Closing pits seems into a perfectly streamlined process. The hammer starts automatically when it touches the metal sheet, and the included maintenance kit makes upkeep easy. The JNLSB 20 set is designed for beating and swaging. In other words, it allows the operator to quickly emboss and bend. It's the workpiece. It's assumed that the user already owns a cordless screwdriver, since this attachment is mounted directly onto one. A foot pedal can be added optionally to make the job even easier. The Dremel Blueprint is a cordless tool with superpowers. It combines the strength of a drill and a screwdriver, reaching speeds of up to 800 RPM. It comes with a detachable laser level, a stud finder, and an LED light. The Dremel Blueprint is priced at $99. This wire stripper is like a surgeon. Among stripping tools, its 3 cutting options: longitudinal, spiral, and circular let you take on jobs of any complexity. The cutting depth goes up to 3 millimeters and is adjustable in 0.1 millimeter increments. You can get this wire stripper for $117. This is the NSR S72MP mobile scaffold. It stands 1.8 meters tall and can hold up to 567 kilograms. The top platform can be adjusted in 5 centimeter increments, which makes it easier to use on uneven surfaces. Safety lock pins prevent accidental separation. Durability, comfort, and control are what make this scaffold a smart choice. The Bosch Easy Cut 12 cordless mini saw is perfect for working with wood and plastic. Thanks to nanoblade technology, cutting is vibration-free. Thanks to its cutting depth of up to 65 millimeters, it can handle a wide range of tasks. And the tool-free blade change system saves time. This saw is priced at $200. The S-Class fish tape tool is a reliable helper. When it comes to pulling wires and cables, it's fiberglass tape, available in lengths of 36 or 43 meters, reaches even the most hard-to-access spots. To triple a battery's power it for 40 hours of use. This tool is available for $101. This tool by Wolfcraft is perfect for professionals who regularly work with baseboards. It allows you to measure, transfer angles from 85 to 180 degrees, and also serves as a cutting guide. Built-in pins for the handsaw help ensure neat and precise results. You can get this tool for $40. This attachment turns a drill into a cutter. The seller recommends using it at speed between 600 and 3000 RPM and promotes it as a universal solution for cutting a wide range of materials, from plastic and laminates to aluminum and stainless steel. It's also broadly compatible and works with cordless, battery-powered, and U-matter drills. This tool costs $200. Tired of cutting tough metal? Milwaukee is here to help. For $700, you can get this sleek, cordless tool made for cutting stainless steel sheets, up to 2.7 millimeters thick. With smart speed control, a powerful brushless motor, and the chip collection bag, it might just make you want to work more often, just for the fun of it. The Banstock DBE162 is a versatile diamond core drill that isn't afraid of challenging materials. Thanks to its 2.2 kilowatts of power, it can tackle reinforced concrete, stone, and asphalt, drilling holes up to 160 millimeters in wet mode and up to 200 millimeters in dry mode. The drill features temperature control and an indicator light that activates. In case of overload, the price is $2,073. The US Source series is changing the way we handle manhole covers. The system includes magnetic lifters that will appeal to private users, commercial clients, and municipalities alike. After all, it's a huge relief to lift covers without risking your back. The basic cane-shaped model lifts 11 kilograms and costs $324. On the other hand, the high-end wheeled model can lift up to 408 kilograms and is priced at $2,121.